Hi, my name is Steve Rice. I'm president of Ritron Incorporated. For those of you that don't know, Ritron was hit by a tornado April 2nd of 2025. We have since vacated the building, moved our entire facility. We did that by the help of a great Ritron team and some outside contractors in about a week and a half. We were back up in manufacturing within about 2 weeks. Hopefully for our customers, it's been a totally transparent situation and you didn't even know anything happened. That was our plan. But the damage was so severe that we have to vacate the building and they have to demolish the building, take it down to the slab. The rebuild will take about 9 months, and then we'll be back in our facility about the end of 2026. Just in time for 2027, which will be our 50th anniversary. I want to take a moment to thank our loyal customers, some of which have been with us that entire time, and lots of new customers that have joined us in that 50-year period. Thank you very much. Thank you to the Ritron team that has responded with such resilience to make this happen. And we look forward to a new era in Ritron with our new facility beginning in 2026 and again for our 50th anniversary in 2027.